let's go back into our root, and it is valve, that is blog is where our environment is, and in this we get the script where we are going to activate our environment. Let's go back and let's go into the blog, the actual blog with the files, and let's go into Visual Studio Code. Remember, you is free. Now that we are into our blog, let's see where we were, and let's run our Flask. Let's click here and let's take a look at our home page, where you see we got post number 1 and post number 2. Now we want to make some changes here. In roots we got the content of our blocks. We want to add now something like author, and let's put it Giovanni Python, like the author of this article or this post, and then also date. Let's say that we have done this in this period of time, and the same we are gonna add it also in this other post, because we made it in the same time. Now we want to, at the end of this, we want to use author equal true and date equal true. Okay, I don't want to use a capital letter here, and let's go here and use author equal author and date equal date. Now let's see what we are going to do about these two variables here. These are booleans, two booleans, and these are two keys in my dictionaries here. So let's go back into templates, into the home page, and now I want to see in my post here, you see you got the title of the post and the content. I want to see in my post here, like you have seen, I want the author and the date. Okay, I can do this. I can do span with the style equal font size of 0.5 m, and also maybe color yellow green, and I wanna put here in a double curly brackets my post.author, and not just author, okay, let's see, a comma and post.date. Okay, let's go now, save it, and here it is. We got Giovanni Python and the date. Now why it is not in the first one of our blog? This is, let's go back in roots and let's see if there's something wrong here. Yes, this date here is not right. So you see, I have added the name and the date, but we have put this author true and date true. So let's go into the template and let's put it, this one, into an if condition like this. If date and if here, and if date and if okay. Now let's save it and let's take a look at it. It's just as before, nothing has changed except maybe that for a comma here. Okay, now if I go into roots and I put this to false and I save it, as you can see, we just have the date. And of course, if I go here and put false to date 2, I will have no one of them. If I just put true to the author, I will just have the author with the comma there. Okay, so we have seen here how we can choose to show some data or not. And that's all for this video.